Hey, what up guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video we're gonna be installing a JLT catch can on a 2017 F150 Raptor. We already got a JLT intake that was done by the owner, and let me show you the JLT catch can. It's a 3.0, not to get mixed up with the 2.0, because 2.0 is not that good. You gotta get the 3.0. So basic tools for install, you're just gonna need a simple drill bit. It comes ready with the hardware, and you also need a 10mm socket. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna remove the engine cover and drill a bracket into a battery holder, and then we're gonna start installing the simple kit. So we're gonna start with the JLT bracket, which is gonna stay right here. So first step is, what you gotta do is you gotta remove this cable right here and line it up with this existing hole, and then you got to pre-drill the second hole on the battery tray. And also comes with the necessary tools to install it. So for example, that one goes there. I'm just going to start this one a little bit, and then we're just going to even it out so we can pre-drill the second hole. Make sure it's straight as possible. And just like that, hole goes in. Alright, the bracket is installed. So next step is literally just taking out the engine cover off with 210mm, and then reinstalling all the connectors, which comes with like OEM looking connectors as well. So it's plug and play. Alright, with the engine cover off, the 90° is gonna go here, and the 45 is gonna go on the intake side. So this is the valve side and the intake side. This is the cable that you kind of got to take off. Alright, simple as that. Clip on. Just like that. And now it's gonna be screwed in into its battery bracket. Just like that. Alright, here is the finished product installed, and then it goes through here into the intake, valve body. Looks pretty good. So now we're just gonna put the cover back on and we're done. Alright, so we're just gonna put the engine cover or heat shield on. This is actually a rubber. Sweet. Look at that. I appreciate you guys watching this real quick, easy install video on a Raptor. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.